All right, welcome back. This is a really interesting story for two stocks. So Uber is, I think, the best performer at the S&P today. Okay, it's up near 10%. The bookend is Tesla, which is down near 8%. That's after the robotaxi event failed to impress many. I'll give you some of the commentary here. Adam Jonas, Morgan Stanley, that's it? Disappointing lack of detail. Tony Sacconaghi, Bernstein, overall, we found it underwhelming, stunningly absent on detail. Wells Fargo, most razzle-dazzle, little substance. And that, frankly, seems to be the biggest takeaway. All style out in L.A. And little substance, and it's clearly taking a toll on the stock and giving Uber a nice boost. Let's bring in Bryn Talkington. She owns the stock, Tesla, that is. We'll talk Uber in a minute. So, Bryn, give us your read here, because this seems to be, if not universal, certainly the majority of observers who judge this company's stock say, meh, that's it.
Yeah, I think so. To take a step back, from the beginning of August to the end of September, I think Tesla stock was up close to 40%, really on no news, no real fundamental news. And so I think there was so much hype around this. And I think one of the common words that you're using from a Tony or a Jonas is lack of details. And I think when you have a $700 billion company, you have to manage the short term with the long-term innovation. And so I watched it. I thought innovation is alive and well. I thought the Optimus was incredible. And if you remember 2 years ago, I think it was 2 years ago at their investor day, they actually had a person in the Optimus suit dancing around. And now they actually have these robots walking around. And I know they're also working in some of the facilities on a limited basis. So I get while it's down today, it was up 40% over the last 2 months. It was short on details, but I think for a $700 billion company that's still innovating, I think we will get details on October 23rd during their earnings call.
Yeah, Dan Ives, he says, we strongly disagree with the notion that last night was a disappointment, as we would argue the opposite. Seeing Cybercab with our own eyes and the massive improvements in Optimus, which we interacted with throughout the evening. William Blair calls it, Bryn, the most impressive event to date, but little near-term impact. And maybe that's what's most representative in a disappointing stock performance.
Yeah, I would agree, right? I think, but once again, for investors, the way I'm looking at it right now, I sell calls against the position, so I closed those out today. I bought them back. The stock has support, really strong support around 198.205, which is still quite a bit lower. But on October 23rd, remember, that's earnings. I think they will talk about the cheaper car. I think they will talk about full self-driving and how that's going. And don't forget, it came out early this week in China. Their China sales, September year over year, were up close to 20%. And so I think this is a good, healthy pullback, but I think we're going to get details when it comes to earnings in a couple weeks.